Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and today Apple released iOS 11.3 Beta 5 to developers and to public beta testers. It should be out for you public beta testers as well. It came in at 262.4 megabytes on my iPhone X, and it installed pretty quickly. Let's take a look at the build number. The build number is 15E5211A, and based on that name, I don't think this is the Gold Master. I think we're one away from that. And so based on this current cycle that we just had 1 week of, I think the final or the Gold Master will either be out at the end of this week or early next week, and then we'll see a release right around the beginning of spring. So maybe a week or two away, we'll have the final release. So that'll be really nice. And then we'll have all those features and hopefully stability. Now, people are reporting that this is much faster. I normally judge that through 3D Touch just to see if it lags at all, maybe open a couple apps, see how quickly they open. The camera seems to open nice and quickly. Maybe music, it comes up really nice and quick. So based on those, it seems to be really responsive. Now, to know how the battery life is, that's going to take a few days. And one thing with Beta 5 over Beta 4 is that there's nothing new that we can tell. I went into all the different stock apps, the App Store. I'm on airplane mode, so I don't get notifications during the video, but I went into all the different apps and there was nothing new in there, so I couldn't find anything. There might be slight tweaks to fonts and things, but as far as the overall change, there's no new features or anything. They're really nailing this down. One thing I almost forgot to mention is I did run a Geekbench on this just to kind of get a numbers feel to see if it's improved at all. So let me open that, and this time around I got 4,228 for single core and 10,165 for the multi-core score. If we compare that to the previous versions, it's right about the same. So I wouldn't expect this to change too much. We're kind of at what the iPhone is capable of, and they stay right on par. It's basically the same depending on if we're talking single core or multi-core. And that's really all there is to it with this one. So I'll be installing it on my iPhone 7 Plus. In fact, I'm doing it right now so I can do a follow-up video, tell you how battery is in a few days, and then also I'll run a poll on YouTube and Twitter to see how it is for you. So be sure to look for that. If you'd like to get your hands on this wallpaper, though, I'll leave a link in the description below, like I always do. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.